machine shops around the world. Your journey to manufacturing excellence begins now. Imagine pushing boundaries, mastering technologies, and leading the industries you serve. That's our vision for machine shop excellence. From quoting through to design, manufacturing onto final inspection, the Machine Shop Technology Benchmark is your first step towards a more agile, data-driven future. A future where every machine shop, big or small, will thrive. Complete the benchmark now to assess, compare, and elevate your operations in under 10 minutes. Gain insights, see where you stand against peers, and join a global movement reshaping manufacturing. Take the lead. Participate in the technology benchmark. Start now.